Hey guys, and welcome to another segment of Drawing with the Rouser. So today I'm going to show you how to draw a quick caricature drawing. So we're going to start with a box, and we're going to add circles inside of that box. And then once we add those circles, we're going to add a side to the box. This will be like kind of where the ears and stuff will go. Now we're going to go with our Crayola marker, and we're going to add our eyebrows in. And then we're going to add the eyelashes using the circle to tell us exactly where we're going as we are drawing the shape of the eye. Now we will put the inner parts of the eye with the pupil. She has very light colored eyes, so you want to use this particular coloring pattern here. And I noticed I went very dark on the outside of the eye because it's going to kind of mimic how she has her makeup. If you really look at that picture, she has a lot of dark makeup around the outside of the eye. Now we're going to start with our nose shape and add the bridge of the nose. And then our next shape is going to be our mouth shape. So we want to give her a nice smile. I don't want my mouth shape to compete with the eye shape. So I'm not going to draw a shape that's very big. I just want something, again, that fills the space up similar to the way it is in the portrait. We'll add darks to the outside of the mouth. And then we will go ahead and add our chin shape and our jawline shape. Notice how I'm feeding off of the side of the box. On this side, I'm going to use the far side of the box. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add our ear shape, which you can see just a peak of the ear. From here, I'll go ahead and work to my forehead shape. So since she has hair kind of going down to her face, I'm going to start with those strands of hair up. Don't do too much hair in the face. Like, don't overwork that shape, because if you put too many lines, then it'll look busy and then it won't look like a cartoon anymore. So we're just going to give her some nice big flowy hair, right? Some waves, right? We don't have to have it perfect as long as it kind of looks wavy. She does have a very full hairstyle, and since I'm using a 8x11 sheet of paper, I'm not going to be able to get all of her hair on there because I really wanted to concentrate on the face for this one. So we're going to have some of the hair kind of just fall off on the end there. A good way to think about hair is to think about it like like flowing water. You know, if you ever seen water flow and it makes waves and crashes and stuff, that's kind of how I think about my hair, especially this particular type of hairdo. But you can use it kind of for any hair except for maybe shorter hair like you would see on a guy. You might want to think of something a little different, but I don't want to give you too much information. So just think about flowing water. It'll help you to get your flow a little bit better. So now we're just adding in our shoulders and all that good stuff. And now we're adding some eyelashes here, some nice long eyelashes into our eye area. Okay, so that looks great. Everything looks great. We're just doing some last minute little touches to the face, adding some dimples. Notice again, I don't want to put too many lines in there. I know she's a little bit up in age, right? But you don't have to do all these ridiculous wrinkles and stuff, especially those that come off of the nose and go around the mouth shape. You really want to back over those a bit. Now go ahead and erase your square. We don't need that anymore. We have our whole picture down. That square is an awesome thing to use, especially for beginners. If you are having trouble with your face placement, go ahead and draw that square shape, and I'm telling you, it's going to really help and transform the way you're seeing the caricature. Now we're doing the final touches, or the final stage of the drawing, which is shadowing. So I know you probably don't understand exactly why I'm putting shading where I'm putting it, but I think for this video, you'll just follow me and put the shading where you see me put the shading. And I'll make another video in particular on shading. Also, if you want to just take a class with me, I do online classes, so you can sign up for those. And I teach a lot of people how to draw caricatures that want to get into caricature, about the ins and outs of it, all that good stuff like that. But mostly I teach you how to get your likenesses down and get them down very quickly and in a style that you'd like to draw the picture in. So I don't want to turn you into me, but rather I want to give you the tools to be able to see the shapes of the face and be able to manipulate those shapes in a way that you see fit. This way you're doing your own interpretation of that person and not trying to per se mimic this particular style of caricature. Maybe you might want a different one. So here, I'm just doing my hair, and notice with the hair, she has very blonde hair. I'm using a gray marker, by the way. This is the gray Crayola that comes in the box. So everything here is done with Crayola markers. You don't need an expensive marker to be able to do this. All you need is 2 markers and you should be just fine. But again, back to the hair, you'll see that I don't use a lot of lines. I just kind of, again, think about it like water and flowy water, and you can see how nice the hair looks. It doesn't look like I put all these lines in it. It's overworked. Now I'm just going to put some darks at the top of the hair. You'll notice how you can see that darkness at the top a little bit. And I usually try to put them, just kind of hint these little darks in around here and there, around the face, like right around the chin line. Watch how if you add just a little bit of dark right there, you see how it brings that face forward and brings it out. So you don't use this very sparingly at the end, right? Notice I'll put like 2 over here, another 2 or 3 over here. Then I'll come back and put my eyelashes here, right? So I'm getting real close to the end of the drawing here. So this is pretty much where I'm doing all of my finishing details, putting any loose strands of hair or, just little things that I want to do. But, and these are completely optional at this point. You don't have to go with the little hairs and all that right there. If you just want to stop right there, that's cool. So anyway, I want to thank you for visiting again. If this is your second or third time visiting, if it's your first time, just want to say thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Hello there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, you did? Well then, you see that subscribe button below? Push it. And after, push the bell icon next to it and select the all option. Then you will get notifications of all new uploaded videos and when I go live. Oh yeah. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and check out these other videos for more cool stuff. Have a great day and happy penciling.